Yes, good morning. Good morning. Today, types of plannings. The different types of plannings available in industries. The planning is based on the industries. Examples: the production planning, process planning, material planning, manpower utilizations. We can say the lot of plannings. First one is a basic stage planning is a foundation for principles management involving the various process. The main process is setting the goals, outline actions needed to achieve them, and coordinating to the resource and effective required. So basic types of plannings. The planning is a focus, the mission, design, major objective, resource, commitment, competitive positions. Examples: engineering department raise the placement by 20% and start to industry skill labs in 3 years. Example: they are using the SWOT, pestals, balanced scenario plannings. First one is a tactical planning. Tactical plannings is a for functional planning, midterm planning, strategic planning. The focus on the department goals, resource allocations to implementing the strategic aims. Examples: industries sign with MOU, curriculum addendum, etc. Next one is a operational planning. That means short-term managers plannings. Durations it maybe takes 1 year or 2 years. Focus on the routine procedures, schedules, budgets, day-to-day tasks and monitoring. They are utilizing the Gantt chart, standard operating procedures. That means called as a SOPs. Next one is a checklist. Standing plans versus a single users plan. Standing plans are policy, procedures, and a repeated decision. The single use plan, programming, budgets, projects, one off. Next one is a continued contingency planning. Preparedness for unexpected events, strike, pandemic, budget cut. Include trigger conditions, alternate actions, responsibility chart. Next one is a directional versus specific planning. Flexible board guidance, useful when the environment is uncertainty. The specific plan precise the target steps used when the predictability is high. Next one is a characteristics of plan. Characteristics is good plan should be object oriented, clear measurable goals, smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound, simple and clear, easy to understanding the communications between the other sources, flexible, allows adaptations including update and review points. Next one is a economical and feasible. Benefit justify cost and resource exist. Next one is a coherent and consistent, align with the high level plan and other units. Futuristic and based on fact, use validity forecast and assumption. Provide standard for control measurable milestone. How to test. Checklist mapping plan element to smart criteria, risk table and a simple cost benefit ratio. Planning process. The planning process set, clarify object, scan environmental, that means internal resources, development premises and assumption, Identify alternative course for action creative generation, that means the brainstorming. Evaluate alternates, select the plan, implement, monitor and control, practical tips, tools of planning, budget, scheduling, decision trees, break even, linear programming, simulation, balance scorecard, idea generations, nominal group techniques, Delphi methods, evaluation selection, decision matrix, cost benefits and ROI analysis.